Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FitFly. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Indigo hiring process, the ground staff hiring process for a Indigo. What are the questions asked? How many rounds are there interview? Actually, you know that in 2 to 3 months, Indigo started hiring everything. The ground staff crew interviews are going to be done. Few interviews are done also, like officer security. The recent one is the officer security for the Ahmedabad, and the last one was the security for the Pune. Then second last one for the crew airport operations are there. So in today's video we're going to discuss every single thing. What are the how many rounds to be conducted and how to apply online and everything. The first option you have to do is the apply online. How to apply online? First of all, you have to open a link, like just type in the Google Indigo career. Whenever you apply for the job, you have to open their search engine, then you can go through their web page. You can go to the Indigo career, then you can find, after opening for the web page of the Indigo career, you will find a job openings in the top of the page. Okay, you have to click it, then you will find recent openings are there. Right now, whenever I am opening it, it's like 7 openings are there. The first one is the security one, security officer for the Ahmedabad. Then you have to click on it. Then a page is open, like login to apply now. You have to make a candidate ID through the Indigo website or Indigo app. You can make your ID. You can make your ID. Then you can apply. Whenever you apply, you will get a reward. Whoever are selected for the interview, they will get a reward like date, timing, and location. You can only visit down the interview if you receive any related things. Invitation includes date, timing, and location. After receiving the online invitation from the Indigo, only you are eligible for the Indigo interviews. Whenever you receive an invitation through the mail, are eligible for now you are eligible for the Indigo interview. Okay, how many rounds are there? We're going to talk about how many rounds are there. There are 4 rounds. The first round is the group introduction. Earlier videos I discussed about the introduction, how to make an intro and everything. Only you have to describe about yourself. There will be a group intro. In group of 5 or 10, HRs are sitting there, and in a group of 5 or 10, you all people will sit there. Then one by one, you have to introduce yourself. Just in introduction, only you have to introduce about yourself. Whenever they ask about your family, you can introduce about their family too. About your family too. Okay. Normally, you have to introduce yourself. First of all, the first round is the group introduction, in which one by one you have to introduce yourself about yourself. Okay. Now the second round. The second round is all about the group discussion. Mainly the rounds are to be shuffled, but the way I am saying about you, the discussing the rounds, usually they do. Okay. Indigo do all their interviews round like in this way. The first round is group introduction, and the second round is the group discussion. The second round, the group discussion, it will also happen in the 5 or 10 group. Okay, HR will give, or interviewer will give a single topic about any recent topic, maybe any recent topic related to corona and any pandemic. Any problem will be there. Okay, you have to discuss. You don't have to fight through all the candidates there. You have to give a right point of view of what you think about it. Okay, just make sure you don't have to fight with another candidate there. You just have to give a right point of view. What you think? Okay, just easy, not so loud. You have to make understand every people are there. You have to make understand just they want to know about your communication skills, how you explain about your overconfidence. If many people are overconfident about it, you just taking about your confidence. How much confidence about you? How much you are confident in the 10 of group. Now you are selected for the first round and second round too. Okay, then you have to go through the third round. Whoever is selected, the HR or interviewer will call you. The third round is the PI, the personal interview. The personal interview is 1-to-1. Mainly it is 1-to-1, or 2 people are sitting there. There is a personal interview. In only no any group, only you are there in the front of the HRs. Okay, they will ask about everything, like why this airline, why Indigo, why should we hire you, what are your qualifications, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and everything. I will mention in the video every single question they mainly ask. Okay, then you will go through the final round. What are the final round? Whenever you're selected, the third round is the final round. But the final round is all about the documentation of your documents. Okay, the documents they need. The first one they need is the PAN card and the passport compulsory. I mentioned in every video for airlines, PAN card and the passport is the compulsory. Aadhaar card is also compulsory, but mainly the passport and PAN card they also mention in their pages. Then the second is the you have to get an online invitation from the company. Okay, through the mail. Okay, then you have to be graduated. You need a graduation certificate. Just you can make a copy of it, a printed copy. And the most important thing, Indigo does not charge any money for any recruitment or any vacancies or any interviews. Okay, any airline doesn't charge any single money for their interviews. Then, and the most important thing, Indigo does not charge any money. Okay, and then all communications related to invitation or whenever selected for the interview for the offer letters will be sent by the Indigo email IDs only, not any other ID, not by any other person. All are sent by the Indigo, their original email IDs. Okay, just be aware of it. Be aware of the all scammers whoever are charging money for interviews and all. Just be aware of it. Be aware of the scammers. If you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, just like the video and go through all the videos. Whoever videos are informative, just you can share with the person who are needy for the airline jobs, airport jobs. Just make sure you can share with them. Thank you for watching my video.